How to change text font size on UC browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage and edit your font size on UC browser. Now as you can see, this is my font size, and let's say that I want to make it more larger and bigger. All what you have to do is simple. Go down here and click on those three lines. After you click on it, click on the settings option here. Now go to browsing settings, the second option. Now click on the first option, font and layout, and right here you can change the size of the text as you want, very easily and fast. And this is the recommended size. As you can see, it's here. And if you want it bigger, do this. Want it smaller, here. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.